Beauty. It's a word that comes with many meanings, especially around our world today. Beauty is something different to everyone. So, what does beauty mean to me? Beauty to me is more than one's physical appearance. It's about who you are on the inside. For me, I express beauty in my makeup. Makeup is an art to me rather than an object to make me feel more beautiful for others. Women who have flawless skin and makeup are often criticized for the amount of makeup she wears. But why? Woman in makeup has always had a stigma behind it in very negative ways. When I was 13 years old, I started wearing makeup. Not because I felt I needed it due to society's standards, but already to me, it was art, and it was a new way for me to express my creativity. Now, here I am at 19 years old, and makeup hasn't made me more beautiful, but gave me the confidence to express who I am. My makeup doesn't define my beauty, it's truly my art. I was once criticized by friends, family, and even strangers for the amount of makeup I wear, saying I would be pretty without it and I don't have to wear makeup just because other people around me wear makeup. But what they didn't know was I wear makeup not as a mask to hide myself, but as my canvas to create my art. I used to be shy to show my art to others, but now I am proud to show everyone my talents. As society is today, women are still portrayed in the media for the way they look. We are set to a new standard every day. We feel as though we have to live up to social media's ever-changing current beauty expectations. As a woman myself going into the film industry, women should no longer be portrayed as sex symbols and objects of the male gaze, but rather for their strength, power, and confidence within them. Portraying women's power rather than the looks can help teach younger generations what being a woman truly is. That one's strength and power can come from one's own personal view of beauty. Society cannot put a hold to your own beauty, because beauty to me is confidence, and my confidence is shown through my art and makeup.